A unit vector is a vector in your chosen coordinate system which has a length/magnitude of 1. Unit vectors and direction vectors are the same thing. Now let's see an example. A vector in 2D which has a cosine theta and sine theta, which are the x and y components, or y and x components, is an example of a unit vector which always has a magnitude of 1, which you might know from the trig identity or a unit circle. Let's move on to something more practical. Summing forces for a problem, you will need to break down each force vector into its unit vector and then multiply those unit vectors by each of the force's magnitudes. And you will do this to help you sum forces. The unit vectors I, j, and k are unit vectors in the positive x, y, and z directions for Cartesian coordinates. I is a vector of magnitude 1 in the x direction. I is equal to 1, 0, 0. J is a unit vector of magnitude 1 in the y direction. J is equal to 0, 1, 0. K is the unit vector of length 1 in the z direction. K is equal to 0, 0, 1. To end the video, I would like to explain how to find the unit vector. To find the unit vector, which is commonly notated as a letter with a triangular pointy hat on top, you need to divide each component of the vector by the vector's magnitude.